Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, see how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
I think at this point in the program, I think it's important for us to appreciate Monsieur President. We have put him to work tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, the President of France has worked for you tonight. Please put your hands together for the President. His Excellency Governor, our next program will also be okay. Ladies and gentlemen, next up.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's so. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.